Welcome back! Tired of bland diet meals? Let's change that. You don't have to choose between tasty food and healthy food. Today we're diving into Japanese-inspired meal planning, where balance, portion control, and fresh ingredients come together. I'll show you 5 easy mouth-watering recipes perfect for meal prep and weight loss. Get ready to swap heavy fast food for vibrant, elegant bento boxes. Let's get started! First up, we have the salmon teriyaki bento, a timeless Japanese classic that brings together flavor, nutrition, and visual appeal in one convenient box. This meal is a staple in Japanese cuisine, loved for its perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and vibrant vegetables. Whether you're new to bento or a seasoned meal prepper, this dish is sure to become a favorite. We're starting with a fresh, high-quality salmon fillet. Season it generously with salt and pepper to enhance its natural flavors. Then heat a non-stick pan with a touch of fragrant sesame oil. Place the salmon skin side down, letting it sizzle until the skin turns irresistibly crispy and golden. This step locks in moisture and gives the fish a delicious texture that's both tender and crisp. While the salmon cooks, let's make our homemade teriyaki glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together low-sodium soy sauce, mirin, and a touch of honey or maple syrup for natural sweetness. You can also add a splash of rice vinegar for a subtle tang, and a pinch of grated ginger for warmth and depth. This simple sauce is the heart of the dish, infusing the salmon with that signature sweet, savory flavor. Once the salmon is nearly cooked through, pour the teriyaki glaze over the fillet. Let it bubble and thicken, coating the fish in a shiny caramelized layer. The kitchen will fill with the mouth-watering aroma of soy, ginger, and sesame. Watch as the glaze transforms the salmon into a glossy, restaurant-worthy centerpiece. For the sides, we're keeping things wholesome and satisfying. Scoop a portion of steamed short-grain brown rice. Its nutty flavor and chewy texture pair perfectly with the rich salmon. Add a handful of blanched broccoli florets for a pop of green and a boost of vitamins. These sides not only add color and nutrition, but also make the meal more filling and balanced. To finish, sprinkle toasted sesame seeds over the glazed salmon. This simple touch adds a nutty aroma and a satisfying crunch, elevating both the taste and the look of your bento. For extra color and nutrition, tuck in some pickled ginger and a handful of edamame beans. The ginger adds a refreshing zing that cuts through the richness of the salmon, while the edamame provides plant-based protein and a vibrant green hue. Now, it's time to assemble your bento. Arrange the salmon, rice, broccoli, ginger, and edamame neatly in your box. Each section offers a different taste and texture, making every bite interesting. This thoughtful arrangement isn't just for looks. It helps you enjoy a variety of nutrients and flavors in one meal. The result? A meal that's as beautiful as it is nourishing. With every bite, you'll taste the harmony of sweet, savory, and fresh flavors. It's proof that healthy eating can be both delicious and deeply satisfying, leaving you energized and content. One of the best parts about bento is how easy it is to meal prep. Make several boxes at once and store them in the fridge for quick, grab-and-go lunches all week. This saves time, reduces stress, and helps you stick to your healthy eating goals, even on busy days. The bento box's built-in sections make portion control effortless. Each compartment is just the right size, so you can enjoy a balanced meal without worrying about overeating. It's a simple way to practice mindful eating and maintain a healthy lifestyle. With your bentos ready, you'll never have to guess what's for lunch or reach for unhealthy snacks at the last minute. Just open the fridge, grab your box, and you're set for a nourishing meal anytime. Eating from a bento box encourages you to slow down and savor each bite. It's a small act of self-care that turns an ordinary lunch into a mindful, enjoyable experience. The salmon teriyaki bento is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of simple, wholesome ingredients, artful presentation, and the joy of eating well. It's elegant, easy to make, and fuels your body with everything it needs. Give this recipe a try and discover just how good healthy can taste. You might find yourself looking forward to lunch more than ever. Ready to explore more delicious Japanese recipes? Let's keep going and see what's next on our bento journey. Next up, we have a classic comfort food that's both nourishing and incredibly easy to make, the tofu and miso soup bowl. This dish is a staple in Japanese cuisine, loved for its lightness, speed, and gut-friendly benefits. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a soothing snack, or a gentle start to your meal, this soup delivers warmth and satisfaction in every spoonful. Miso paste is the heart of this soup. It's a fermented soybean paste that's not only rich in savory umami flavor, but also a probiotic powerhouse. These natural probiotics help support digestion, boost your gut health, and contribute to overall wellness. Plus, miso is packed with essential minerals and vitamins, making it a smart addition to your diet. To start, prepare your broth. Dashi is the traditional base for miso soup, and you can use instant dashi granules for convenience, or make your own with kombu and bonito flakes if you have a little extra time. The broth is light yet deeply flavorful, setting the stage for the rest of the ingredients. Dissolve the white miso paste in a small amount of warm broth first. This helps it blend smoothly and prevents clumps. Then, gently stir the miso mixture into the pot of hot but not boiling dashi. Remember, never boil miso as high heat can destroy its beneficial probiotics and alter its delicate flavor. Next, add cubes of silken tofu. Silken tofu is soft and creamy, absorbing the flavors of the broth while providing a gentle source of plant-based protein. It's perfect for this soup, making each bite smooth and satisfying. Add rehydrated wakame seaweed for a boost of minerals like iodine and calcium, as well as extra texture. Wakame is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it a fantastic addition for both taste and health. Finish your soup with a generous sprinkle of sliced scallions. They add a pop of color, a fresh crunch, and a mild onion flavor that brightens up the bowl. The best part? This entire soup comes together in under 10 minutes, making it ideal for busy days when you want something wholesome without spending hours in the kitchen. It's perfect as a light meal, a starter, or even a nourishing snack between meals. Tofu and miso soup is hydrating, low in calories, and helps curb cravings. It fills you up without weighing you down, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to eat lighter or support their wellness goals. You can enjoy this soup on its own or pair it with any main dish for a complete meal. For extra variety, try adding spinach, mushrooms, or even thinly sliced carrots. Each addition brings new flavors and nutrients, so feel free to customize it to your taste. Tofu and miso soup is a staple for a reason. Simple, nourishing, and deeply satisfying. It's a dish that brings comfort, tradition, and nutrition together in every bowl. So take a moment to enjoy the warmth, the umami, and the ease of this beautiful soup. It's proof that healthy eating can be simple, delicious, and deeply comforting. Now that you've experienced this nourishing classic, let's move on to our next delicious dish. Craving fried rice? Let's make a version that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrition and color. If you love classic fried rice but want something lighter, this chicken and veggie yakimeshi is the perfect answer. It's a Japanese-inspired dish that's easy to whip up at home, and it's a great way to use up leftover rice and whatever veggies you have on hand. Try chicken and veggie yakimeshi, a lighter, healthier take on the comfort food you know and love. This dish is loaded with lean protein, fiber, and vibrant vegetables, making it a balanced meal for lunch or dinner. Start with day-old brown rice for the best texture. It's less sticky and fries up beautifully. Dice up some boneless, skinless chicken breast into bite-sized pieces for quick, even cooking. Next, chop a mix of colorful veggies. The more variety, the better. Think red bell peppers, snap peas, or even broccoli florets for extra crunch and nutrition. Classic choices include carrots, peas, corn, and onions, but don't be afraid to get creative with what's in your fridge. Heat a teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil in a large pan or wok. Sauté the chicken until it's golden and cook through, then set it aside. In the same pan, toss in your onions and carrots, letting them soften and release their sweetness. Push the veggies to the side and crack in an egg. Scramble it gently for extra protein and a silky texture that brings the dish together. Add your rice, peas, and corn to the pan. The key is to break up any clumps of rice so every grain gets coated in flavor. Stir everything together, making sure the rice and veggies are evenly mixed and heated through. Drizzle in some low-sodium soy sauce for that classic umami flavor, but keep it light to let the freshness of the veggies shine. Add a pinch of white pepper for a gentle heat and subtle depth that elevates the whole dish. Return the cooked chicken to the pan, tossing everything together so the flavors meld and every bite is packed with goodness. Finish with a generous sprinkle of chopped scallions for a fresh, zesty kick and a pop of color. This high-protein, high-fiber meal is filling, satisfying, and perfect for anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. You can easily swap the chicken for shrimp, tofu, or even more veggies to suit your taste or dietary needs. Try tofu for a vegetarian twist, or toss in shrimp for a seafood spin. The possibilities are endless, so you'll never get bored. Yakimeshi is also perfect for meal prep. Make a big batch, portion it into containers, and you'll have healthy, homemade lunches or dinners ready to go all week long. With its vibrant colors, savory flavors, and wholesome ingredients, chicken and veggie yakimeshi is the ultimate healthy comfort food, ready in just minutes and sure to become a staple in your kitchen. For something refreshing, try Zaru Soba, cold buckwheat noodles with dipping sauce. Soba noodles are high in fiber and protein and lower in calories than regular pasta. Cook noodles until al dente, then rinse thoroughly under cold water to remove starch and chill them. For the dipping sauce, tsuyu, combine dashi, soy sauce, and mirin, then cool. Serve noodles in neat bundles with chilled tsuyu on the side. Add classic condiments, scallions, grated daikon, and a dab of wasabi. Dip, slurp, and enjoy. Slurping is encouraged. Zaru Soba is light yet filling, perfect for lunch or a post-workout meal. Add teriyaki salmon, shrimp, or a soft-boiled egg for extra protein. Simple, elegant, and endlessly customizable. Let's make veggie sushi rolls. Fun, healthy, and hands-on. Start with seasoned short-grain rice. Mix with rice vinegar, a touch of sugar, and salt. Julienne your favorite veggies. Cucumber, avocado, and carrot are classics. Place a nori sheet on a bamboo mat, spread a thin layer of rice, and add veggie strips. Roll tightly using the mat, then slice with a wet, sharp knife. Each roll yields beautiful bite-sized pieces. Serve with low-sodium soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a bit of wasabi. Sushi making is a mindful, creative activity, great for friends or family. Experiment with fillings, bell pepper, asparagus, sweet potato, or tofu. These rolls are light, nutrient-packed, and perfect for healthy snacking or meals. Try making your own sushi at home. It's easier than you think and so rewarding. That's it. 5 delicious, healthy, Japanese-inspired meals for your week. Each recipe is flavorful, satisfying, and supports your health goals. Meal prepping these dishes makes healthy eating easy and enjoyable. Remember, it's about discovering new flavors and nourishing your body, not restriction. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more. Let me know your favorite recipe in the comments. Until next time, happy cooking!